Hello everyone! How to start freelancing as a coder in 2025. Full guide, no degree needed. Start freelancing as a coder in 2025. Think freelancing is dead? Too much competition? No gigs, right? The truth is, freelancing is not dead. It's just saturated with the wrong strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start freelancing as a coder in the 2025 with no degree, no fancy portfolio, and zero upfront investment. Let's be real. Competition is high, but most people make one big mistake. They copy what everyone else is doing. They build a portfolio site that no one sees. They post Fiverr gigs with zero research. And worst of all, they just wait for clients instead of going out and finding them. That's not freelancing. That's wishful thinking. Freelancing equals skill plus proof plus outreach plus patience. And I'm going to break each one of those down. Step 1. Learn skills. Clients pay for. You don't need to know everything, just learn what clients actually want. Here are 4 coding services that work in 2025. Landing page development, bug fixing, and website optimization. Automation scripts like scraping or email bots. API integrations start with HTML, CSS, JS, or Python. You can build a service with any one of those. Step 2. Build proof, not a resume. Forget resumes. Clients don't care where you studied. They care if you can solve their problem. Build 3 to 4 small but real-world projects. Build a restaurant website. Create a to-do list with a back end. Make a scraper that pulls job listings. Host them on GitHub. Use Netlify or Vercel to make them live. Then create a simple portfolio page that links to them all. Boom. That's your proof. Step 3. Set up Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn. Now you go public. Create your profile. But don't make it about you. Make it about your client. Instead of saying, "Hi, I'm a developer with 2 years experience," say, "I'll help you launch a clean mobile-friendly landing page in 48 hours. Guaranteed." That's a service. That sells. Step 4. Message clients. Don't wait. Here's where 99% of new freelancers lose. They wait. You win by reaching out. Step 1. Find local businesses with outdated websites. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write a short pitch. Step 3. Offer a free homepage review or fix. You offer value before asking for anything. Even if just 1 out of 10 replies, that's your first client. Pricing strategy. Start small, but don't undervalue yourself. If others charge $100, start at $40 to $60. You're buying reviews, experience, and trust. Offer something like landing page in 2 days plus 1 revision equals $49. Deliver fast. Over-deliver on value. Then raise your rate every 2 to 3 projects. Final tips. Don't try to be perfect. Take messy action. Learn basic communication. It's 50% of freelancing. Your first gig might take 2 weeks. Don't quit. Track your results. Learn what works. Repeat. If this video helped, hit the like button, drop a comment if you're ready to freelance in 2025, and subscribe. Cause next video, I'm breaking down how to price gigs, find clients, and scale to your first $1,000 month. You're just one client away. Let's go.